Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator back in another video, and today we are unboxing today's package. Uh, Not feeling like myself today because I was hacked. My Instagram was hacked yesterday, and not only that, it compromised my Facebook account as well. So I had to start over, and I've been in a terrible mood since then. But we're gonna start with unboxing today's package. It might not be no editing on this panel. So this is. Oh, okay. So this is another item from Tophatter. So this is their you know, you like gotta brush your teeth and stuff. There's like they got new ways to brush your teeth. I don't know why this box is so damaged. Y'all see this? But yeah, I think you put the toothpaste in there and you just twist it around. I'm not gonna show it to you. But yeah, it's like a new way to brush your teeth. It really is messed up and dented though. So this is, the item is really great, but it's going to be 7 out of 10 because of the box. Next we have Estee Lauder. This is their double wear sheer long wear makeup with SPF 19, broad spectrum SPF 19. You can wear it all day. These are just samples of it. They got Ecru, Desert Beige, Ivory Beige, Shell Beige, Bronze, Sandalwood, Deep Spice, and Espresso. I think the one that probably matched me is this one right here is called Deep Spice. Alright, and next up we got this one. This is the last one. The scissors over there. I'm really using scissors. That's what. Alright, and I know what this is. I'm not put the information. Any day now. Okay, so. Oh, okay. So we got something from Smashbox. This is their Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer with SPF, broad spectrum SPF 25. And I don't know what color this is. This is small. This is just a drug facts, and this is in the color Deep. It just says Deep. So let's see what this tinted moisturizer looks like, because I think this is the only color they had available. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Nice little color. I wish. Oh, yeah. Nice little brown. So that's great. So far 10 out of 10 for the Smashbox sample. 10 out of 10 for the Estee Lauder, and 5 out of 10 for the inventive way to brush your teeth, because I didn't expect it to be this small and the box is damaged. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and share the video, share cool stuff, and click that notification bell so you be notified for all of my videos. The first link in the description is my damage review playlist. You can check that out, and I review everything from stuff like this to headphones to, I don't know about microphones, but to headphones and stuff like that, and so yeah, I will see you all next time. You know what? I may not be a little bit energetic, but bye. God dang it, Parshmark.